If you want to unpin a tweet on x.com, also known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you pinned the wrong post, want to feature something new, or just want to refresh your profile, unpinning a tweet is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into the account that has the pinned post. Once you're on the platform, look at the left navigation bar and click on your profile. This will take you straight to your profile page where your pinned post is displayed at the top. Now scroll to the post you want to remove from the pinned section. On that post, click the three dots menu, usually shown in the upper right corner of the post. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, click Unpin from Profile. As soon as you select it, the tweet will no longer stay fixed at the top of your profile. That's it. The post has been unpinned successfully. Your profile will now show your most recent posts instead of the pinned tweet, and you can pin a new one later if you want. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simpleshe.com and Twitter how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.